Hello everyone. Today we are solving a very conceptual question from the ISS Statistics Paper 1 2026 examination. Now before solving it, let me tell you something about this examination. The ISS examination is one of India's most prestigious examinations conducted by the UPSC. And although it is a statistics examination, the objective papers test your mathematical maturity, logical thinking, algebraic manipulation, and speed as well. And questions like this may appear very simple, but they actually test whether you know the concept of the infinite geometric series instead of lengthy multiplication. So today we will learn not only the answer but also a shortcut that can save the precious examination time. So first read the question. If, just a second. Yeah. If minus 1 less than x less than 1, then what is the product of 1 plus x square plus x cube and this goes on into 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and this goes on equal to. And we are given four options A, B, C, D, and we have to calculate the correct one. Now first, the very first thing I notice is the condition. That is minus 1 less than x less than 1. So never ignore the condition given in a question. Whenever you see like mod of x is less than 1, immediately your brain should ring a bell. Infinite geometric progression. And this condition guarantees that the infinite series converges. And without this condition, this sum should not even exist. So recall the formula of an infinite geometric series. If mod of r is less than 1, then 1 plus r square plus r cube. This continues. So the sum is basically 1 by 1 minus r. And this is probably one of the most important formulas in algebra. Okay, and appears repeatedly in many examinations. Now, look at the series. 1 plus x square plus x cube and this goes on. So this is a geometric progression. First term a is 1 and the common ratio r, this is x. So therefore the sum will be 1 by 1 minus x. Very easy. Now evaluate the second series. Observe the second series, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and this goes on. So again this is a geometric progression. So this time common ratio r, this is minus x. So this sum becomes 1 by 1 minus of minus x. So this is 1 by 1 plus x. So notice how the minus sign changes everything. Students often make mistakes over here. And always substitute carefully. Okay. You can't do that mistake, right? Now, whenever the signs alternate, don't panic. Simply remember 1 minus r plus r square minus r cube. This is basically 1 by 1 plus r. Provided mod of r, this is less than 1. Okay. Now, the original product becomes 1 by 1 minus x into 1 by 1 plus x. So using the identity 1 minus x into 1 plus x, this is 1 minus x square. We get 1 by 1 minus x square. So this is already the exact answer, but our options are in the series form. So we convert it back. Now, think of 1 by 1 minus x square. This is again an infinite geometric series. So here the common ratio, this is x square. So therefore, this is basically 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 and this goes on. So come to the options now. Yes, option number A. So option A is the right answer for this question. Okay. Now notice something beautiful. Instead of multiplying two infinite series term by term, which would take several minutes, we converted each series into a compact algebraic fraction using the geometric series formula. Then we multiplied just two fractions. So this is the power of recognizing the patterns instead of doing the calculations. And competitive examinations reward the recognition, not the hard work alone. Okay. Now, students generally commit three mistakes here. Ignoring the condition, writing 1 by 1 minus x instead of 1 by 1 plus x for the alternating series, and stopping at 1 by 1 minus x square without converting it into the series required by the options. So avoid these mistakes, and this question becomes like 20-30 second problem in the examination. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option number A. So whenever you encounter an infinite series, first check whether it is a geometric progression or not. Verify the convergence condition, mod of r, this is less than 1. Convert the series into a fraction and using the GP formula, and then perform the algebraic simplification, and if options are in the series form, expand the final fraction back to the geometric series. Okay. So this was all about this question. So clear?